Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I tried to record this intro like 3 times and all of them suck. I'm just gonna say, obviously this is my like first video. Like I used to upload on this channel in like 6th grade, now I'm in 10th grade. I'm not gonna do like an intro or anything, this is just gonna be like a fun video. Yeah. So in the video, I'm just gonna like make a bunch of omelets for my family and I think it's pretty funny. So if you wanna have a good time, then watch. Cecil, oh my god, move. Please, I'm begging. I'm gonna choose this white carton because it seems like it's it seems good. So oh my here. Okay, onion. Yes, not wieners. Green peppers. Yes. That's a tomato? Is that a tomato? Yes. Yes. You need some cheese. Where's the ham?
It's right here. It's frozen.
Yes! I was gonna say red, white, and blue, but that's green. Sorry, I'm colorblind. Please! Tell them a nice story while I cut these.
Mesothelioma.
That's not a story. That's just, no.
That's what the paper's gonna give us, mesothelioma.
Tell them a story.
Once I was 7 years old, my daddy told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely.
I'm sweating.
Once I was 7 years old.
You're done.
It was a big, big world.
Please stop.
But we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. And then by 11, we were doing stuff, smoking herbage. And then we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old and my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. And I said, but I'm a girl. I'm a lesbian.
Thank you. You better turn it off. The ham is ready! Yes! Okay, guys, let's go.
Are you talking to the cat?
I'm just talking to my audience, you know, all my fans. Cutting butter so the pan can be slippery. Yes. Okay guys, we got the bowl. We're gonna crack some egg. Okay, I feel very overwhelmed. There's a lot. I feel, am I supposed to use the brown eggs?
I don't really think it matters.
Okay.
And I wanna be famous for loving you. If I'm gonna be known around the world, I wanna be 'cause of you, girl. And if I'm gonna go down in history,
2 eggs cracked.
I hope it's all 'cause of you and me. If I'm gonna be famous for something, girl, I wanna be famous for loving you.
Let's go. Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. This burner, is it on?
Famous for loving you.
I just want to ask him if I'm dying.
Yeah.
Because then I'll cancel my suicide plan.
I'm gonna add some cheese while the egg is still not solid because it just kind of puts itself in there. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Warm. Green peppers. Yes. Tomatoes. Onion.
Famous for loving you.
I forgot the ham in the omelet. I added it. It's looking good if you ask me, you know what I mean? Okay guys, Get.
Oh, sorry.
Please. We are almost done with the first omelet. Wow. Yes. I can't believe it. Can you?
No.
Wow. Me either. This part's tricky.
Oh.
Please.
Oh.
I'm sweating so bad. Get a good shot of it. Come on, get up here.
It's tricky. What if I dropped your phone in it?
I would kill myself.
What do you? Oh.
That wasn't very good.
Not at all. Did you cook the eggs all the way this time? Because last time there was a little bit.
Okay, you didn't say anything about it being runny last time, so I'm gonna ask you to shut. Okay.
6-year-old me.
That's really good.
What do you rate it?
I'm gonna give it an 8.
What the hell? I mean, the presentation could be better.
That's the only thing that's lacking.
You take off 2 points for that?
More presentation is very important, and you suck.
We're just living.
Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool to be on TV, so all the folks back home can see me, and that I'm living it out, all the things I used to dream about. Yeah, it's pretty great singing on stage.
Alex, what do you want in your omelet?
Nothing, just egg and cheese. Like a
Do you want ham?
Sure, I'll have a bit of ham.
You don't want any green pepper, onion, or tomato?
No vegetables.
Oh my god.
It ruins it.
You know what? You're fat.
On stage, proud cause there ain't an empty seat in the place. But girl, ever since I met you, I got a whole new perspective. If I'm gonna be famous for something, I wanna be famous for loving you. If I'm gonna be known around the world, I wanna be 'cause of you, girl. Nothing wrong with the center of attention. Long as I'm with you, I don't mind the pictures. If I'm gonna be famous for something, girl, I wanna be famous for loving you. Famous for loving you.
I'm putting 2 kinds of cheese.
Look at her just worrying all about you, Alex.
Look at.
Trying to make the experience better for you.
how sweet.
Yeah.
What is that smell? That can't be the omelets.
It's definitely my asshole.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Yes. Oh shit. Make sure you get a really good shot of the whole environment. You're so far away.
Yeah, but I have to be. Like, I can't see.
I didn't get a very good shot of you.
Yeah, because you're a... That was beautiful.
How far does your phone zoom in?
Really fucking far. Oh yeah.
Mouth.
Then just split it in half.
That's a lot of ham.
Put just a shitload in Daddy's then.
You're blocking the camera. Please. God. I'm a chef and I want to share my knowledge with people.
Me too.
Yeah, I hope the first question people ask me is how's your girl and how's your family? I could go on and on and on, talking about you for days. You can bet
I can't get over how bad that is.
Stop!
when I hear congratulations, want it to be because we made it. Another 5 years, best thing I got is right here. If I'm gonna be famous for something, I wanna be famous for loving you. If I'm gonna be known.
Okay, no, I actually completely messed that one up. I'm so upset right now, but like, it's whatever. Yes. TTYLXOX. You know that song by Bella Thorne? I'm her biggest fan, if you didn't know. I think I'm in love with her. I'm a lesbian. Sorry, this is my coming out video. I'm a lesbian.
Around the world, I wanna be 'cause of you, girl. Nothing wrong with the center of
It's good.